Greetings everyone, today we will in second chapter basic mathematics. This would be the lecture 7th of this series. Second chapter basic mathematics. This is what? Lecture number 7. So in this lecture students, we will discuss numericals of differentiation. Okay, so let's start. Question: if y is x square minus 1 by x square, find dy by dx. Okay students, find dy by dx. Solution. Now students, I will use this identity. X raised to power n, what it gives? Nxn minus 1. So this identity will give dy dx. This gives what students? D upon dx and y function, y value. Right students? What it is? X square minus 1 by x square. Yes. So this differentiation, now put 2 here. So this gives 2x plus 2 upon x cube. Right students? Yes, sir, definitely. So here I have used this identity minus 2, x raised to power minus 2 here students. So this becomes next. Next question is, if y is equal to 2x cube under root x plus 3 tan x, okay, find dy dx. Find dy by dx. Now what is students? Solution of it, dy dx. Now put the value of y again. But say here it is under root x. We will again use this identity here students. See how? 2x cube under root x plus 3 tan x. Right students? Oh, now we have understood why sir have written these formulas on the board before the lecture. So this is the reason. It is a very interesting. You can practice at your home these formulas once understood. Solution. Then this gives what students? This gives 6x square plus 1 by 2 under root x plus 3 sec square x. Right students? Yes sir, definitely. Okay, this is the answer of it. Next question. So under root is coming x raised to power 1 by 2. That's the thing. If y is x sin x, find dy by dx. Find dy. Find dy dx. Right students? Then again what? Solution part of it. Solution. Yes. This gives d dx x sin x, and this gives what, students? Yes, we will gonna use UV formula, UV. Okay, then x dx sin x, right, students? From the earlier lecture, sin x gives sin x dx, this gives x, and this becomes this gives us what, students? Sir, x cos x plus sin x, right, students? Yes, sir, definitely right. So this is the thing. Next part of it. Question: if y is sin x and this is x plus cos x, find dy by dx. What you will do? Yes, very nice. U by v, very good. Then this gives what? Dy dx is what? U by v formula. What was it? V du. I am writing for you now. Minus u dv by dx upon v square. Now put these values here for now yourself. While I am erasing. Okay. That definitely leaves the tough part for us. So thinking of it gives dy by dx. What is it? What it will give? It will give us x cos x cos x, then sine becomes cos. No, right, cos x minus sin x d x cos x, and this is x plus cos x. Right, students? And that too square. Right, students? Then what it gives? So I am writing the main thing. Yes, sir, definitely. Oh, yes, what you are saying is correct. Here it is sin x. Very nice. What you are saying is very nice. Here it is sin x. Then this should give us x plus cos x. And this is what? Cos x. Alright, students. Then minus sin x. And this is what? 1 minus sin x. This is what? X plus cos x. X plus cos x whole square. Then the answer is, so definitely we don't know. So the thing is, differentiation is a beautiful topic, much easier than integration. So this is x cos x cos square x minus sin x plus sine square x. Yes, what you are saying is right. This should give us sine square x, and this gives us what, students? This is an identity that I have taught, x plus cos x. What it is? The identity. The very easy identity, x cos x minus sin x plus 1, x plus cos x. So we are using a trigonometric identity. You think yourself what identity it is. So the next question, this is the answer, students. Next part of it. If a particle, now the word problem has come, students. If a particle travels on x-axis such that xg happens to be t square plus 2 under root t plus 1 meter. Right, students? Find position, this find position velocity and acceleration at time 4 seconds. T is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, students. This is a basic question. You think of yourself now what could be the answer of it? I am erasing this part of students. You have understood basic thing, basic differentiation. Ramanujan sir once said an equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God. We will see how. Solution. So, position we have to find out using this equation. Position, first part, xg it is t square 2 under root t plus 1 meter. Then this gives what, students? Sir, 16, then sir, 8, then sir, it is right now, maybe 2, 2, 4, and this is 1. Yes, this should do now. Yes, and this is gives 21 meter. Right, students? Yes, sir, definitely. So, yes. Velocity Vt is 4, yes. Vt happens to be d dt, and this is what? X, yes. xg, and this is what, students? Differentiation of it gives us t squared 2 under root t, right, student, plus 1. Okay, definitely, sir. Now you put this value and tell me what it could be. 2t 1 by 2 under root t 0 0. Yes, what you are saying is perfectly right. And sir, another 2 here. Yes, what? So this gives what is students? Sir, 8.5. Wait, this should 8, and this is half. Yes, what you are saying is perfectly right. 8.5 meter per second. Yes. The next part of it, acceleration. So mathematics is a subtle subject. You have to be just very careful in dealing with it. AT is what, students? Sir, it is so it was 2t plus under root t. This was velocity, sir. This was velocity that we find out. Okay, sir. So acceleration is what, students? Acceleration. Not here, sir. Definitely, acceleration is at dv upon dt. Right, students? This gives what, students? Double differentiation of position, and this should give us what? 2 differentiating velocity, 2 minus 2 3 by 2. Right, students? 1 by under root 1 by under root t gives 2 3 by 2, that 2 with minus. Then this becomes what, students? 2 minus, then this becomes 2 8, this becomes 2 minus 1 by 16. This is calculation. Then this gives what, is it? 32 by 16 minus 1 by 16. This gives 31 upon 16 meter per second square. Right, students? I have multiplied 16 here and 16 here. The next part. So this was acceleration for us. If question, if Vx is equal to 2x plus 1, Vx, find x is what, is it? Velocity, and it is given in x coordinate terms. Find a for x is equal to 2 meter per second. What we will do now, students? A is what, students? A is equal to V dV by dx, right? That I have taught in the earlier lecture. Then this is what? 2x plus 1 dx 2x plus 1. Right, students? What it will give? So it will give 10. Yes, 2x plus 1. Then this 2, this gives 10 meter per second square velocity acceleration. Okay, I have put the value of x. Next question, and the last question of not the last, not the last. So chain rule question. Chain rule question. If x is equal to a theta sine theta, right, students, and y is a 1 minus sine theta, no, not sine theta, cos theta, but find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. What it could be? You tell. Or let Sir Isaac Newton tell. Dx d theta gives a 1 plus cos theta, right, students? Definitely, sir, it is. You differentiate. Dy by d theta gives us what, students? So the same thing it will give. The differentiation in the same manner, 0 minus sine theta. This would give what, students? Yes, a sine theta. Right, students. The next part. Now you think of yourself what I have taught in the chain rule. What was the chain rule? So why Sir Isaac Newton created so much of mathematics and so much of physics? So dy dx gives dy dx dy d theta upon dx. This gives what, students? Yes, what you are saying is perfectly right. This should be a sine theta, students, and this should be what? A 1 plus cos theta. And this is what? A divided, and this is sine theta formula, tell me. Yes, 2 sine theta, theta upon 2, cos theta upon 2. Right, students? And 1 plus cos theta gives? Yes, 2 cos square theta by 2. This 2 gets divided and this becomes tan theta by 2. Right, students? Yes, sir, definitely. The next question. Oh, sir, we have more questions. Yes. The last question. And what it could be? Sir, we know. We all know what it could be. Yes. Your guess is right. Maxima minima question. That would be maxima minima question. So I hope you pay very good attention to this question, because this question deserves our attention. question, the velocity v of a particle is given by equation v 6t minus 6t cube, where v is what? Velocity is, where v is in meter per second. In meter per second, oh, I didn't write. Where v is in meter per second, t instant of time. T instant of time. So what you are doing? T is instant of time in seconds. At what values? At what values? At what values of t will the velocity be maximum? Will the velocity be maximum and or minimum? Not or minimum. Or minimum. Determine this maximum and minimum velocities. Determine this minimum. Determine this maximum and minimum velocity. Minimum velocity values of particle. Okay, so this was the question. This is the question for us. So let us see what could be the possible solution. So basically what the question is, this is velocity equation given to us. Now we will see how to do it. So what should I do, students? First, to find the slope to find the maximum. Yes sir, you should differentiate it to find the slope. The point where maximum velocity could be. So I will do that. Solution here, velocity is what? 6t square minus 6t cube. Then it should give dv dt, and this is what is 12t minus 18t square. Comparing it to 0, putting dv upon dt equal to 0, so as to get what, students? Maximum minimum. Very good. So as to get maxima and minima or minima. Right, I will stop till here. Maxima, minima. Now you have differentiated it, compare it to 0. What the answer is coming? While I am erasing. So it should give us 12 minus 18t. T is equal to 0. T comes out to be 0 second, and this comes out to be 2 by 3 second. Right, students? Definitely, sir, it is right. Next part, for maxima and minima. What should I do for maxima and minima? Yes, we have found the slope and the point where it could be maxima and minima. But how to do that? To find maxima and minima? So differentiate it again. Double differentiate velocity. D square V T square. Right, students? We double differentiate it. What we get? Sir, we get 12 minus 36t. Yes, could not be wrong with the numbers for now. So this gets at I will check at t is equal to 0 second. It gives 12. Yes, what you are saying is right. This is easy. You should give 12. Then next part, and 12 is value positive. So what is minima? Yes, very nice. So 0 second at time is equal to 0 second, we have minima. T is equal to 0, d square v dt square plus 12, which happens to get than 0, and this is minima. This is minima. Minima point. Then, so t is equal to 0 is time at which particle velocity is minimum. Time. Oh, what you are saying is correct. I didn't write. That's the whole thing. Time at which particle velocity is 0. Particle velocity is minimum. Yes. Particle velocity is minimum. Then the next part, what it could be? At t is equal to 2 by 3 second. Now you calculate. So definitely we are calculating. This is an easy question, sir, for being the last question. So what I want to do here is teach you the general method. Okay. Then dv d square dt square is certainly appearing like 1. 12 minus 36 2 by 3, and this is what is it? E value minus 12. Yes, very nice. Which is what? Get smaller than 0, and this is maxima. Hence it is a maximum negative value. Then what will happen? So time is equal to 3 second at which particle velocity is what is it? Particle velocity is maximum. Right, students? Definitely. But in all this question, you didn't told us what the velocity is. Let me show you what the velocity is. What I will do. Think So you will put these values into the velocity equation. So simple. Yes, definitely. For minimum velocity Vt, this is velocity equation, and velocity is 0 at time is equal to t0, minimum velocity we are getting. So this 6 0 minus 6 0 cube 0 meter per second. The minimum velocity of particle at time is equal to 0 second is 0 meter per second. Maximum velocity, again the same thing, Vt 6t square minus 6t cube. V is 2 by 3. Then put the value of t here, 2 by 3 square, and this is what is it, minus 6 2 by 3 square, right students, and this gives us not a square, so cube, and this gives us 8 by 9 meter per second. 8 by 9 meter per second. Yes. So this was the maximum velocity possible. I will stop for now. Thank you.